everyone, it's Rory Pratt from Pratt's Pods and Micro Soldering Repairs, and today I'm going to show you a quick battery replacement on an iPad 4. So, this iPad 4, let me get it off the heat mat, and get the other one on there. This iPad 4, I've just done a battery health check on it through 3U Tools, which is a brilliant bit of software. It's showing 75%. So, first of all, you've got to get into the iPad without damaging the screen. So I first make a little dent in there into the screen. That seems to be the weakest part of an iPad 4. And then I just get a plastic playing card. They're just about the safest things you can use for this. And we go round the edge here with the playing card. Once you're in, it's nice and easy to get through with a playing card usually. Obviously using playing card, this is like my secret tool. When people see me using a playing card, they always ask, is that your normal tool or is that your... Yes, it is the tool I always use for iPads and other devices with glass that needs removing. The reason for this is the playing card will cut through adhesive, and on top of that, the playing card falls apart before the glass breaks. So generally, playing card is just about one of the best tools you can have as a phone or tablet repairer. Because like I say, that's going to pull this screen off nicely now. There's been absolutely no damage to the screen. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely, that's perfect. And like I say, the worst that happens is a bit of card comes in the iPad. So that's brilliant. Now I'm just going to take the screens out. There you go. And then we've just got the adhesive on the connectors here that needs to be removed. Try not to get in the way of the camera. So there's that for home button, and for LCD, there you go. And then for the digitizer, there you go. So that's the screen removed safely at that. So that screen is fine to be put back on, keeping this thing as original as possible. Next, we just take a couple of the screws out here of the motherboard so we can get into that battery. Okay, that then disconnects the battery. Next, I'm going to put this on a heat plate to dissolve some of that adhesive. So I'll put that on a heat plate and I'll come straight back. Now I'm back with this iPad 4. I have this very good homemade bent up plastic card, which I always use for battery removals in iPads, because it fits in there, slices through the adhesive nicely. I know because of it's already bent, I'm not going to scrape anything else other than the battery. And this just goes down and we do one battery cell at a time. There you go, one battery cell. Next we're going to come and do the next. You've got to be patient and you don't want to be too rough with it, because it is a lithium battery. They can be dangerous if you're not going to remove them properly. I'm just going to try and rip it out. So you've got to make sure you're getting under the battery and slicing the adhesive there. So that's the second cell done. You can see I'm just working my way left and right on these until the adhesive comes off. I'm not using any force. I've heated it up. So again, you've got to be careful with these, because it is a lithium battery. There you go. That is that battery coming out nice and easily now. battery out. There's the old battery. Clean off the adhesive from the back of the frame. There you go. Here we are. I'm just getting the worst off here. It's all coming off nicely. There you have it. That's all off. New battery here. So I peel off this backing and we already have the battery adhesive attached there. That's just gonna slide into its place. Make sure it's stuck down nicely. Put these screws back in. Just like that. So that is the battery in there. Like I say, I'm just going to make sure that adhesive goes down properly. Pull this film off. And there you have it. One brand new iPad 4 battery. So this battery was on 70 something percent. So when I plug this in now, it will be at 100%. I can show you that in a moment, but what I'm going to do first is get this all back together. So what I need to do now, I'm not going to bore the video because you've probably seen this hundreds of times if you've watched any of my other videos, but we're going to clean this adhesive off around the edge. Put some foam tape over, well, we don't need to put the foam tape on there actually this time because you've got foam on the LCD and on the digitizer there, so that's fine because they will stick together and remake that bond basically, so there's not going to be any dust getting through that foam. Then I'm going to put our adhesive around the edge once we've cleaned the frame and get it all stuck back down together. I'll come back after that because like I say, you guys will have seen that plenty of times. So here we are back with the iPad 4. This has been, well, not quite resealed yet. I've put the adhesive down. I just need to put it on a heat plate and then clamp it, so that'll be all good. But I just wanted to take a moment to show you. That's the iPad, brand new battery installed. And if we go over here, those of you that haven't seen 3U tools before, this is it. And we have 0 charges, 100% battery health. On top of that, some of the information you get from 3U tools, if you haven't seen before, is absolutely brilliant. So we get all of the battery details here. 0 times 11,560 milliamps, and the new one's actually 580 milliamps, so it's better. So yeah, really good. You even get the battery temperature and everything like that. So happy days. So that is the iPad 4 all sorted, and that's it from me. So that's Rory Pratt from Pratt's Pods and Microsoldering Repairs. If I can get this, there you go. Rory Pratt from Pratt's Pods and Microsoldering Repairs, just showing you how to replace a simple battery on an iPad. So if you can't do these yourselves or you don't fancy doing a DIY job, please feel free to get in touch. It's www.prattspods.co.uk or microsolderingrepairs.co.uk. Thank you.